Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sigit Prayoga. In this video, I'm going to continue to talk about titilaras. Before that, let's do a quick review. Well, titilaras essentially means musical scale that are used in gamelan music or in karawitan. Well, gamelan is part of karawitan. You get point. Titilaras use a pentatonic scale that is different from the diatonic scale that are used in the West. Titilaras version of pentatonic scales consists of da, mi, na, ti, la. Da as the first note and la as the last note. That was the quick review. Now let's move on to the main topic. In this video, I'm going to specify more about the laras that are used in Karawitan Sunda. The first laras is laras Salendro. Now, a lot of people in Karawitan Sunda refer to Laras Salendro as the mother of all laras. That is because the person who made the theory of titilaras, which was Raden Mahyarangga Kusumadinata, used Laras Salendro as the foundation for creating the other laras. Now, there are two versions of titilaras. Laras Salendro, I'm sorry. There are two versions of Laras Salendro. The first one is Laras Salendro Padantara, and the second one is Laras Salendro Badantara. Now, in Laras Salendro Badantara, we use it has the same interval between each note. So from da to mi is 240 cents of interval, and then from mi to na is also 240 cents, and then from na to ti and ti to la and la to da is all 240 cents of intervals. But in Laras Salendro Badantara, it is a little bit different. There are like 240 cents, 212 cents of intervals, and then also like 282 cents of intervals. Well, just for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to use the Laras Salendro Padantara. Now, other than Laras Salendro, there are Laras Madanda. There are also Laras Madanda and Laras Degung. Now, Laras Madanda, from da, the intervals of Laras Madanda from da to mi is 80 cents, and then from mi to na is 400 cents. Now, from na to ti is, I believe, 80 cents, and then from ti to la is 240 cents, and then from la to da is 400 cents. Now, in the Laras Degung, it is a little bit different. In Laras Degung, from da to mi is also 80 cents, from mi to na is 400 cents. Now, from na to ti is, I believe, 240 cents. That is different from the intervals in Madanda, which was 80 cents, right? So in Degung, from the na, the intervals from na to ti is 240 cents, and from ti to la is 80 cents, and la to da is 400 cents. Now, in Degung, Laras Degung, there are two versions of Laras Degung. That is Laras Degung Dwi Suara and Laras Degung Tri Suara. That is because in the Laras Degung Dwi Suara, there will be always two notes that has the same sound as Laras Salendro, but in Laras Degung Tri Suara, there will always be three notes that have the same sound in Laras Salendro. Well, I guess that's it. Oh yeah, and Lara Salendro have more like happy happy vibe to it. That is because I believe Lara Salendro were used by the lower class of people, but Laras Tegung have the polar opposite of that. It was used by the kings and the queens in the kingdom, basically. So it is have more like exclusive vibe to it, like a fancy vibe, if you know what I mean. Well, I guess that's it. I'm sorry for of a lack of information, but that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.